Well guys, right now I'm driving a 2017 Toyota RAV4, only 17,000 miles. This one is really good. This car, I would say it's a 4-cylinder, it's a front wheel drive, but it's really good. It's really good. No complaints. I drove it a little bit with the test drive. Right now, because of my baby, I can't bring my wife with me, so they told me just to take the car home so she can see it. If she approves this one, I guess I'm gonna buy it, because I was looking for something a little bit bigger with third row seat, but it's kind of expensive, and I'm not planning to buy something brand new because I saw the prices and I was like, no, I don't think so. I'm just gonna get something for her, and it's gonna allow me to get some money for me so I can get the other car, because that one is still something that I want to do. I want to get a 5-speed Honda Accord, but this one, it's got a reverse camera, touch screen. Like I said, only 17,000 miles. It has enough room for my 2 kids, the car seat, groceries. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. So I'm just gonna go home so the wife can see it, and then we're gonna make a decision. And I'm not getting paid for this, okay? But I know some people in there. I know the guy who's doing this business. His name is John. He's really good. So right now I'm just gonna take this home, and when I finish, I'm gonna come back and show you the inventory that they have. Obviously, like I said, they don't pay me for it, but I was thinking about going to Honda, but the CRV, I prefer this one more than the CRV, because I like more the quality and everything about these RAV4s. Okay guys, so I'm here in Toyota Mall of Georgia, here in Georgia. This is the one that I was driving, the RAV4. So this one is not a fully loaded, like I said, but I'm not disappointed, to be honest. It's got a lot of room, especially on the trunk, for all the groceries. Look at that room. For the baby seat, for the groceries, for the stroller, plenty of room. Plenty of room. So I really like it. So I'm just gonna go inside. Actually, I take this to my wife. She's at home, and because of the baby, she couldn't be here. But I take it to her. I take it home for an hour. She saw it, but she said that she don't like red, so it's gotta be black. But definitely, we consider that one 2017 RAV4, but it has to be black. So I gotta go back to inside the dealer, talk to John, the guy who's helping me right now, and then we're gonna make a decision. But it's not gonna be this one, but it's gonna be a black one. And the wife said yes, so that's all we need, the approval from the wife. I'm still here guys at the dealer. Here is the Accord. We're just waiting right now because, you know, process takes a long time when you buy a new car. So I'm just gonna be here chilling until the process get finalized, and probably this car is gonna stay here tonight. I'm gonna come tomorrow morning to pick it up, and I'm gonna take the new one home so we can start making some content on the new one. Okay guys, so it's dark already. I spent all day at the dealer. We get the car today, but unfortunately, because it's holiday today, it's Monday, and it's holiday, insurance is closed, and I wasn't able to get the car insured, so that's why I'm not gonna take it. I'm taking my car home, but all the paperwork is done. Like I showed you the red one RAV4. I show you that one. I didn't get that one, so I'm getting another one. I'm not gonna tell you until tomorrow's episode. I get something. It wasn't that one, it was another one, but I'm gonna show you tomorrow after I get all the insurance stuff done, and then I'm gonna do the other part of this upload. So that's it for this one, guys. It was really fun to drive around, to check the cars, to test drive those RAV4s. It was pretty cool, but it's already dark, it's late, I gotta go home, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna come here and pick up the car. So guys, I hope you like this episode. It's just showing you a little bit of the next car for the channel and for my wife, and then probably tomorrow we'll have the new one. So guys, I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.